he is the one that pees a lot.
He pees a lot?
Yeah, he pees a lot. And here I put it cartons, I put it papers, I put everything. I have to clean it all the time. But he's doing much better.
Oh.
Yeah, before he was doing bad, but he's doing much better.
Okay, well maybe it's just the medication he
Yes,
needs.
medication, yeah.
Yeah.
And another thing I have is
Yeah.
this one. I know that is sick. And she has a little cold, you know?
Yeah, I can hear there's some respiratory issues.
Yeah. I don't put it.
This one is very sick.
Huh?
This one is very sick.
Yeah, and the other one is over there.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
yes.
That one. And she was the one at the neighbor.
Okay.
I think she needs to go to. Oh no, it's not here. It's not here.